first thing we want to do is remove our oil fill cap that's on the side of the oil tank. That's going to help the tank breathe properly when draining our engine oil. Using a 3/4 inch ratchet, we'll go ahead and remove the drain bolt on the crankcase and let the engine oil drain completely. As it's draining, check the condition of the crush washer. You want to replace it if it's damaged or missing. On another note, when draining the crankcase oil along with the tank oil, you want to replace the oil as soon as possible to prevent any oil pump priming issues. That's very important here. And we'll just torque this down to 21 foot-pounds. Now using a 12mm, we'll go ahead and remove the drain bolt on the oil tank and let that oil drain completely. Take note, there's also a crush washer on that drain bolt as well. And we'll tighten this back down and torque this to 18 foot-pounds. Now, using a 64mm oil filter wrench, we'll remove the oil filter. Now on this unit, it has a certain body kit, so we'll have to use an oil filter pliers instead of a wrench. But it removes any other way. Now, before installing our new oil filter, we want to apply a thin coat of oil to the gasket. That's going to help removing it on our next service a lot easier. And we'll torque this to 12 foot-pounds. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. Polaris states that this unit holds 2 quarts of PS-4 full synthetic oil. And we'll apply it into the oil tank. Now we'll just reinstall our oil fill cap. And now we're going to start the engine up, let it idle for about 3 to 5 minutes. That's going to get the oil circulated through the system properly. Once it's done that, we'll shut the engine off and let it sit for another 3 to 5 minutes. That's going to give us an accurate oil level. Now as our last step, we simply just remove the oil fill dipstick, reinsert it, thread it all the way in place, and then unscrew it back out. We want our oil to be in the middle to upper portion of the dipstick, and that looks great, guys, so let's hit the trails.